Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are well. Now, today we are going to learn about the bar graph. Okay, to draw the bar graph, we need a graph paper. So, you have to buy a graph book for this. Okay, already in the 4th and 5th standard, you have learned about the pictographs. Okay, now this is the upward or the for this. Now, this is the bar graph which is used by for the pictographs, means instead of pictographs we can use this bar graph to save save more, to show the more information than the than which will be shown in the pictograph. So to draw the to draw the bar graph, there you need a this graph paper. So to draw the graph, there are two most important things. This is first one, and then after that you have to draw a two axes. See, this is vertical line, this vertical line, and the next is horizontal line. Okay, this vertical line and this horizontal line. This vertical line is called as y-axis. Which axis? Y-axis. And this horizontal line is known as x-axis. What is this? X-axis. Okay, now to how to draw the bar graph, that will going to learn first. See this, that will be going to learn from the practice set 19. In the 18 the bar graph is given, and in the practice set 18 the bar graph has been given. You have to just see the answer and see the question and observe the bar graph, and you have to give the answer. So that I'll explain you afterwards in the sharing screen. Now we're going to learn how to draw the bar graph. Question number 1, that is from practice set 19. Practice set 19 we are going to solve. Practice set 19, question number 1. The scale, they have also given the scale. Scale means, if you'll see that scale, this 1 centimeter, if you'll measure this with the scale, this distance between two dark line, that is 1 centimeter. That is 1 centimeter. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Okay, this is 1 centimeter, 2, 3. You can make a dot there or lines. So the first one is there. The names of, see this one I am going to solve. The names of the heads of some families in village and the quantity of drinking water the family consumes in one day are given below. Draw a bar graph for this data. They have provided a scale. This scale means on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 liters. See, this scale means this 1 centimeter is equal to 10 liters, means this 1 centimeter scale is what they have given. You have to write here scale. Scale is 1 centimeter equal to 10 liter. So here it will consume 10 liter, then 20, then 30, 10, 10. You have to write the table: 10, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Which is the maximum value here? Only 60. So it is enough for us. Otherwise you can write also 90 and 100. Okay, according to scale you have to write. So now what you will do the next, this is whatever number you have to show, you have to show it on a y-axis, and the things or the name whatever the names are given, you should write it on a x axis. So here first one, family's head of the family is Ramesh, so we'll write Ramesh here. So Ramesh family use the 30 liters water, so you'll take the scale 30-liter water. So you will see this Ramesh. First you will draw 10, 20, 30. It consumes the water 30 liters. So up to 30 you will draw it. Draw the bar graph by using this 2. This is bar graph. If you will see this 30, this is 10, 20 and 30. This is Ramesh family. Then next one is given Shobha. Shobha is the second family's name of the second family's head. Shobha. This is Shobha's family. So you will write how much of liter water they use. They use 60 liters. So you will keep the scale on here. So 60, where is 60? See, I'll write Shobha here. So I'll write till 60. You have to draw the line 60. You can use a scale. This is 60. See, Shobha. Then Ayub use 40 liters. Ayub's family use 40 liters. So where is 40? Here. So we'll draw here till here. Then Julie 50 liters. Here it will come 50. This is Julie. And last is Rahul use 55 liters. If you show there is no 55, you will see in the graph there is only 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and so on. There is no 55. If you will see that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 liter, means half of 1 centimeter is 0.5 centimeter. If you will see in the middle line, the line between these two dark line, there is one more thin line which is slightly dark to the middle line, that is 0.5. This 0.5 and 0.5 makes 1 centimeter. So this 0.5 is equal to 5 liters. So we'll show 55 like this. See, 50, then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 55. So we'll go till here 50 and this 55. So we'll join this 55. So this is the called as a bar graph that we have drawn. This is y-axis. The vertical line is y-axis. The horizontal line is x-axis. And always the numbers which has been given in the data, that will be going to show on y-axis, and the name or particular things which has to be shown, its name and whatever is there, you have to write it on a x-axis. So this is the way. And scale is given here in all the examples. Scale is been given, so you have to use that scale. Okay, did you understood? Scale is given, and with the help of the scale we can draw all the given data. So this is the first one example which I have solved. By using this method you can solve all other example. 6 1 sixth one and seventh one also you have to write. This all the questions, second, third, fourth, fifth, all the questions you have to solve in your graph book. So you should buy a graph book for this. Okay, hope you have understood. Watch the video again and again and you will able to understand it easily. Hope you will understand it and do it as I have told you. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.